Survival doesn't start with courage. It starts with disappointment. The moment you realize no one is coming and nothing will be fair again. Movies lied to you. Motivation speeches lied to you. Survival is not about becoming stronger. It's about becoming less human. The first brutal rule is simple. Your body will betray you before the world does. Hunger changes logic. Fear rewires morality. Fatigue deletes empathy. Science is cruel here. When calories drop, the brain shuts down higher thinking. You don't become brave. You become efficient or dead. The second rule hurts more. Morality is a luxury system. It works only when resources are stable. When scarcity arrives, ethics collapse first. History proves this again and again. Wars, famines, blackouts. Good people don't disappear. They just lose control. The third rule is silent. The most dangerous moment isn't chaos. It's calm. The calm where people think things are almost normal. That's when mistakes happen. That's when doors stay unlocked. That's when trust returns too early. Biology hates optimism. Optimism delays action. Action is survival's only language. The fourth rule is ugly. Visibility kills. The loud die first. The helpful are remembered briefly. Predators don't hunt strength, they hunt patterns. Predictability is blood in the water. Science calls this signal behavior. The brain loves routines. Collapse punishes them. The final rule is the one no one accepts. Most people don't die from danger. They die from disbelief. Denial is comforting. It whispers, "This can't be happening." Reality doesn't argue. It waits. Survival doesn't reward hope. It rewards adaptation. Not faith, not strength, not kindness. If this felt cold, good. Warm lies kill faster than hard truths. Remember this. When everything ends, science doesn't care who you were, only what you did.